Fewer or less. I'm sure you have come across these two words probably a lot of times when you read English. The difference between them is easily one of the most confusing rules in the English grammar. If you want to get the hang of it, stay put. Hi, my name is Zoe and it's great to see you again. Let's start with fewer. Fewer means not as many. Fewer is the comparative of few. We say few, fewer. Fewer is always used before a noun that is countable. What I mean by countable, the things that we can count. For example, a cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies, or an egg, 2 eggs, etc., etc. Let me demonstrate an example for you to make it simple. Jane was given fewer biscuits than her little brother. Jane was given fewer biscuits than her little brother. If you look at the noun here, which is the biscuits, it is countable. So the word that comes before it is fewer, but not less. Less. Less is the comparative form of little. We say little, less. It means not as much. We use it for the uncountable nouns, the things that we cannot count, like water, flour, milk, etc., etc. We can't say a milk, 2 milks, 3 milks. It's incorrect. Here's an example. Jane's little brother was given less milk than Jane. Jane's little brother was given less milk than Jane. The noun here, which is the milk, is uncountable, so the word that should come before it is less but not fewer. The uncountable nouns and fewer. To count the uncountable nouns, we divide them to pieces or portions, therefore are countable. So here we turn to fewer instead of less. Let's stick with the milk. To measure the milk, we say a glass of milk, a carton of milk, a bottle of milk, or a gallon of milk. Here they can be pluralized, so we could say 2 glasses of milk, 3 glasses of milk, etc., etc. Considering the glasses are countable, the word fewer is usable in this case. Example, there are fewer glasses of milk on the table now. There are fewer glasses of milk on the table now. Exceptional use of fewer versus less. Sometimes we make exceptions with the rule about fewer versus less. Money, for example. Even though we can count money, we still consider them as a bulk quantity instead of separate units. So we want to use the word less instead of fewer. An example, Jessica has less than $50 left in her bank account. Jessica has less than $50 left in her bank account. Even though dollars is technically countable noun, the sentence refers to dollars as total amount, but not as individuals. We could say Jessica has fewer than $50 left in her bank account. It's not wrong, but it's going to sound awkward. Here is a tip. Everything we said about the rules of money and less work the same way with time, distance, and weight. Here are some examples. For distance, the basketball court is less than 2 miles away drive. For time, James has less than 2 hours to catch his flight. For weight, Jessica's newborn baby weighs less than 8 pounds. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this one. And if you did, please consider subscribing and hit the like button. I'll be grateful. Until the next time, take care everybody.